An animal cell is composed of different parts that has their corresponding responsibilities or functions. Just like an animal cell, a mall also has its parts and corresponding functions as well. In this project, we would like to present to you how is an animal cell with its parts and functions can be compared to the mall's different parts and its functions.
The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is found in all cells and separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable. The security guards in the entrance and exit doors of a mall act as a cell membrane. They observe and inspect the people who are allowed and not allowed to come and leave the mall.
The nucleus acts as the cell's command center, which controls the organism's movement, growth, and reproduction. The manager of a mall is like the nucleus because he or she is the one that controls everything and manages all the employees and the mall itself.
Plasm is a substance that holds and supports within a cell. It is also one of the most important parts of a cell. It is placed between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. The cytoplasm can be compared to the mall floors because it holds the different parts of the mall that serves as its foundation.
Mitochondria is considered as the powerhouse of a cell, as it provides the energy to carry out its functions. In a mall, the mitochondria is considered as electrical or the power supply, as it is the one that controls and supplies the energy, which is the electricity, to the whole establishment inside the mall.
Lysosome's role is to process degrading and recycling cellular waste. The lysosome acts as the janitor of the mall because the janitor segregates and cleans the waste left in the trash bin, found in different areas to make it pleasant.
The endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis. It also produces and processes lipids. We can compare the endoplasmic reticulum as the stockroom in the mall, wherein the products are being processed, stored, or kept. The ribosomes are the employees working in the stockroom, and we can consider the products as the proteins.
Ribosomes. Since ribosome is responsible for translating a coded message from messenger RNA, molecules to synthesize proteins from amino acid and attach to the endoplasmic reticulum are floating around the cell. We can consider the different stored inside the mall as ribosomes. Floating inside the mall, which is the alter ego of a cell. We can say that the protein produced by ribosomes are the product the store are selling.
Golgi bodies, also known as the Golgi apparatus, that packages and sorts the protein and the lipid fat, the molecule used in other places, inside and outside the cell. The Golgi bodies would be the employees inside the mall that packages and sorts different items and products before selling and handing it down to customers.
A bottle is a membrane-bound cell. It is generally small. It is known to store water for the cell. The water tank inside the mall acts as vacuole which store water. It is connected to a drinkable water fountain to quench people's thirst, or to the different pipes which can be used for their personal needs.